Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to close a position or a trade right here in Admirals. So if you are here in Admirals, the first thing that we're going to do is we go right here to the trade button where we click on portfolio. Then right here, make sure that you select right here the correct trading account, because otherwise when you click, in my opinion, on this one, you won't find anything. I did all my trades on this account, and then you see right here the trades that I created. Now, I'm having a lot of Bitcoin trades, and this is the only gold trade that I'm having right now with a $60 profit. I want to close this trade. Wow, where's my profit, dude? It's whoa, okay, that's fine. We click right here on this trade, and then you see right here the option to close position. Then the only thing that you need to do is click right here on confirm, and then we can close our position. So there we go, position closed. Then we do done right here, and now we closed our position. So if I refresh this page, let's do that. Yes, it's gone. So this is how you can close your position. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.